Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best werewolf costume is probably one of the most exciting and transformative choices for any girl looking to unleash her wild side this Halloween or for a themed party, offering a perfect blend of spooky charm and playful ferocity that allows her to embody a powerful, mystical creature with a howl-worthy ensemble, ensuring she stands out from the pack with a look that's both fierce and fun. Number 5. HAOAN Wolf Foxtail Clip Ears and Gloves Set. Transform your look with this complete costume set. It includes everything you need to embody a playful wolf or fox. The plush tail features a convenient clip for easy attachment. It adds a touch of authenticity and fun to your outfit. These adorable ears are designed to clip securely into your hair. They complete the animalistic charm of your ensemble. Soft, comfortable gloves mimic animal paws, enhancing the overall effect. They are perfect for adding character to your hands. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or any themed party, this set is ideal. It's designed to make you stand out and enjoy the festivities. Crafted specifically for women, this costume offers a comfortable and stylish fit. It's a fantastic choice for adding a unique flair to your celebration. What we like? This accessory set offers a simple yet effective transformation. It's perfect for those who want to add a touch of wildness without a full costume. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to accessorize for a party, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per instructions. Number 4. Exlinonline Werewolf Wolf Costume Kit. Transform into a fearsome werewolf this Halloween. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a complete transformation. It includes a detailed headband, realistic gloves, pointy ears, and a bushy tail. Every piece is designed for an authentic look. Whether you're an adult or a child, male or female, this costume is perfect for anyone. It's designed to fit a wide range of sizes. Get ready to howl at the moon and scare your friends. This kit is ideal for Halloween parties, trick-or-treating, or any dress-up event. No need to search for individual pieces, everything comes together in one package. Simply put it on and embrace your wild side. What we like? This comprehensive accessory kit provides everything you need for a complete werewolf look. Its universal design makes it suitable for anyone in the family. If you are looking for a versatile and complete accessory kit for multiple users, this option is ideal. What people say. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get relevant points. Number 3. Disguise Willa Werewolf Costume Disney Zombies 2. Transform into your favorite character with this exciting costume. It's perfect for any fan looking to bring movie magic to life. Crafted from 100% polyester, it features a top with an attached vest and pants. The detailed claw rips and dyed faux fur make it truly authentic to the film. Whether for dress-up fun or a Halloween adventure, this outfit is designed to stand out. It's ideal for crashing the Seabrook prom in style. Help the werewolves and zombies gain acceptance by looking the part. This ensemble lets you fully immerse yourself in the world of the movie. It's a great choice to pair with other character costumes like Zed, Addison, or Eliza. Gather your friends and create unforgettable group adventures. This is a quality costume designed for happy kids. To keep it looking its best, simply spot clean or hand wash as needed. What we like? This costume brings a beloved movie character to life with authentic details. It's designed to replicate the look from Disney Zombies 2. If your child is a fan of the movie and wants to embody Willa, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. Number 2. Rubies Werewolf Girl Costume Dress. Get ready for a howling good time with this fantastic costume. It's designed to transform your child into a fierce and fun werewolf. This set includes a stylish dress, a matching headpiece with ears, and comfortable mitts. Everything needed for a complete transformation is right here. Crafted from 100% polyester, it ensures durability and comfort for hours of play. Your child will love how soft and easy to wear it is. The dress features attached faux fur, giving it an authentic werewolf appearance. These details make it truly stand out. This particular costume is a girl's size large, fitting sizes 10-12. Remember, costumes often run smaller than regular apparel, so please check the size chart for the best fit. Whether it's Halloween, a themed party, or a cosplay event, this costume is ideal. It brings joy and creativity to every celebration. What we like. This full dress costume offers a classic werewolf transformation for girls. It includes a dress with attached faux fur, mitts, and a headpiece for a cohesive look. If you are looking for a traditional and complete werewolf dress-up option, this costume is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 1. Adolala Faux Fur Foxtail Cat Wolf Set. Transform into your favorite creature with this complete faux fur set. It's designed for comfort and style, perfect for any festive occasion. Experience the playful elegance of its fluffy fox tail. This accessory adds a touch of wild charm to your ensemble. Conceal and reveal with its soft, plush mask. It provides a comfortable fit while enhancing your chosen character. Complete your look with these adorable fluffy paw gloves. They are soft to the touch and add an extra layer of fun to your costume. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or any themed party, this set is your go-to. It ensures you stand out and embody the spirit of the event. Crafted specifically for women, it offers a comfortable and flattering fit. You'll feel confident and captivating in this unique attire. What we like. This set stands out with its unique inclusion of a plush mask, adding an extra element of mystery. The fluffy texture of the tail and paw gloves enhances the overall feel. If you like a costume with a distinctive mask and soft, tactile accessories, this set is a great consideration. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.